Yesterday, you did a word problem um, about a girl that was trying to estimate. We will go over that word problem today. So I would like you to go back to day one and look at the problem that you did, that you worked out about estimating, and we're going to go over it today and see if there's anything you need to revise, that means change or fix. So today is all about looking at the problem and seeing if there's anything that we need to revise or fix. And if there is, you need to fix it. So the first thing that always like to do before we do something like this is to go over guidelines for discussion. First of all, look at the screen and you will see it says number one, it is okay to make mistakes and learn from them because we learn from making mistakes. So if you do make a mistake and you didn't do it right the first time, it is okay. Just learn from it and don't do it again. The next one is it is okay to share your ideas and strategies respectfully. We do it in a nice way. It is okay to agree and disagree politely. So if you don't agree with somebody's answer or you don't agree with somebody, it is okay, but you need to say it nicely and say, no, I don't think that's the way we should do it. But say it in a nice way. It is okay to change your mind about how to solve a problem. At first, you might have thought, oh, I should add or subtract. And then maybe you decide, oh no, it's multiplication. It is okay to change your mind. It is okay to feel confused. Sometimes when we work problems out, we might not understand it at first and it might confuse us, but it is okay to feel confused, and hopefully you'll be able to talk it and out and work it out and understand it eventually. It is okay to ask questions to your teacher or your mom or dad or parents or grandma and grandpa. Um, it is okay to ask questions. It is okay to listen closely to others' ideas, and it is okay to be patient. These are things that we need to think about as we look at the problems from yesterday. If you did not do it quite right, it is okay, but you need to learn from it and we will work through it together. So on the next video, we will be working through the question from day one. So if you have those questions in front of you, that would be great so that you can look back and see how you did it. And then I will go over on how you could have done it to get a better answer. Or maybe you have the same answer as me. Maybe you figured it out just like it. There's different ways to get different answers, and that's okay. But I'll be working out the problem on the next video.